I don't know about any of you guys, but I get my paycheck at the end of every 2 weeks. I look at it. By the time I take care of my regular expenses, you know, rent, groceries, utilities, there's basically nothing left.
And you can't really live debt-free in Toronto if you're living paycheck to paycheck.
Living paycheck to paycheck caused me huge anxiety and stress. Even just getting a common cold, I was getting them so much.
Well, you can't sleep.
I didn't sleep properly. I didn't eat properly.
Every part of your
Everything.
life.
I felt like I was always sick.
Absolutely. Living paycheck to paycheck, you know, it just becomes a pattern.
Yes.
You know, there's no way out. It just becomes a pattern, and it goes on and on and on.
Not all of us are in a position where we can work more than one job, so we get caught in this rut.
Yes. When there's no extra money left over from your paycheck and something unexpected comes up, what are you supposed to do? You're forced to go turn to credit, right? What other option do you have?
And we don't realize how quick things could change for us.
And it happens so fast.
Oh, it doesn't
Just
take
like
long.
that.
It doesn't take long.
It can be thousands of dollars in
just-
debt and
yeah,
overnight.
It just overcomes you, and you just can't. There's nothing you can do for it. But there is something we can do for it. With the help of someone like David Sklar Associates, they can help you break that cycle, to be able to get out there and give you the opportunity to live debt-free in the city.
When I finally broke down and went to David Sklar Associates, they helped me so much. I felt so much better. And today, my life has improved like I've done a complete 180. I don't have any of the debt that I had.
That's wonderful.
I don't have to worry about credit cards. I don't have to worry about pretty much virtually anything.
That feels
Very
good, doesn't it?
independent. Yes.
That's really good.
Yes.
They really give you the plan for that, right? They give you all the tools to continue on, to try to have a better life instead of just existing. I mean, we all have our different reasons why we ended up at David Sklar Associates, but
Yep.
we all seem to go through the same struggle,
Yes.
but we're all gonna end up okay.
I would recommend David Sklar Associates to anybody, family, friends, you name it.
One of the misconceptions is that you have to be in dire financial straits to reach
Sure.
out to someone like David
Good
Sklar
point.
Associates.
Absolutely.
It's not true. If I could backtrack, when I realized I'm not coping is the time I should have gone.
Do it now before it's just too much.
It's
Just
all
not
of
worth
us,
it
you know.
going through the things that we went through.
the
at
depression,
different times.
anxiety.
Because before you go and before you get involved in one of the programs, we are ill. We financially ill.
Yep.
Call it a financial repairman, call it a financial professional. It's like a financial surgeon. He's going to pluck out of you that which has put you into that position, show you a way to heal, take you through rehab, hold your hand, and when you come out,
Yeah,
you have a
everybody's smiling at the
whole
end. Yep.
different view on life.
Absolutely.
If you feel overwhelmed in debt and you don't know where to go, it's so easy. Just make the phone call.
I mean, it's one of the best things I've done was
I
made
agree.
that call.
I agree.
100%.
They're there to help us, and you know, you come out of there going,
You feel like they're on your side.
Absolutely.
They're in it with you.
absolutely.
I don't think enough people know or are aware of companies like David Sklar Associates.
There's people struggling all over the city, all over the country. Wouldn't you like to just carry a little sign that says,
Yeah.
you know, don't struggle no more. They're out there. Get in touch with David
There's
Sklar
help.
Associates.
There is
There's
help.
help for you.
help. Yeah.
I've done it. I'm a survivor.
Yeah.